Kia ora everybody and welcome back to Nick's Crochet Craft. Today I want to have a wee look at half double crochets and a nice easy way to start a round of half double crochets called a half double crochet standing stitch. I was elated when I found this stitch because I always had problems with my beginning chains, my starting chains, always poking out too much and just never looking right, and it always been really obvious where I'd started my round. So when I found this stitch, I found that it blended in much better. You see that? Look at that. It's nice, it's nice. So to start these half double crochet standing stitches, what we want to do is we want to work one single crochet on top of another single crochet. So, and we do a chain here, and we're not going to work into the space directly on top of that stitch. We want to work into that one. Right here, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through for our first single crochet, and a chain. And then we want to do a little backwards maneuver into that same single crochet under both bars. And yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and there we have a nice lovely half double crochet standing stitch. Now it will flip around at the beginning, will look really annoying and out of place, but once you work it back in at the end of your round, once you slip stitch into it, it'll flip around on its own and it'll look beautiful. So now that we have our half double crochet standing stitch out of the way, I want to show you how to carry on with some half double crochets. I should mention that that is US terms, half double crochet. So I believe in the UK you call these ones a half treble stitch. So to work a half double crochet, we want to yarn over, insert into the stitch we want to work into. Now for me I am increasing, so I want to do 2 stitches in my first one. And then we yarn over again and we pull through. And now we have 3 loops on our hook. So we want to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. And there we have a nice wee half double crochet. So again, that is yarn over, insert into the stitch space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull, insert, sorry, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook to make a half double crochet. Goodbye. We're coming to the end of the round now. Just a couple more stitches here. Now this one we want to work into this last space here. And now we've come to the beginning of the round. And so with this stitch, it's going to hang out to the side a little bit like that. When I first learned the half double crochet standing stitch, I found it a little bit difficult to identify the space to put the slip stitch into. So it is this one right there. There should be a little 2 bars on top of that right there. You want to flip it around, insert right into here underneath those 2 top bars, and pull through both loops, and there you have your perfectly seamless join. Now let's go through the standing stitch just one more time to refresh your memories. That is a chain, and then a single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops, and a single chain, and then a single crochet into the back of that single crochet that we just made. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops, and another gorgeous wee standing stitch, and we carry on from there again. Ka pai! Thank you so much for checking out my video today. If you found it helpful, chuck us a like and subscribe for future content. Tutorial suggestions are always welcome down below in the comments. And take care of yourselves. Ka kite anō.